Go to localwp.com to download the software. Choose the platform, Windows for example, and then wait for the download to finish. In this video, I'm using version 9.29. Click next. And then if you don't want to change anything, just click next and install. Some of the options are better left unchanged, and then finish. If nothing appears, you have to search for the shortcut to run the app. You search in your start menu, find local app, the dashboard will appear. Click the plus button, continue, give a site name. You can choose any name based on your project. And then if you look at the advanced button, you will see the local site domain and then the location of your files and subfolders. Next, you choose the preferred. If I explore the custom, actually we can change the PHP version, server, and the database. Nginx is actually a web server. I choose preferred. You have to specify the username for the admin and the password. Make sure you remember, do not forget it. You'll get a security alert pop up. You allow the access. When you are done, you'll get a status here. One site is running at bottom left. I got 3 sites here. If you want to access your website, here is the button to access the admin panel, and the other button is to open your front end. So this is what the visitor will see. Currently it looks like very plain. Okay, we need to customize it from the admin panel. So every time you want to access your website, run the local app, and then make sure that your website, this one MMU2 for example, is running. This is the list of website that I have. All I have to do is make a right click and then start the site. It'll take a few seconds, then I'll click this WP admin button once it's ready. Then we can view the front end here, open site. A very small number of students reported this problem where they got error when they started the local app. Could not update host file. The solution to this is, the first that you can try is actually disable your antivirus and firewall, which is of course not recommended. Here it suggests you fully uninstall local and then install the latest and then restart the PC and then try to switch off the antivirus and firewall. Click the remember me so that we don't need to key in the password next time. Just in case you forgot the password, always refer to your file where you save your password. Okay, sometimes your Windows or browser will pop up, do you want to save the password? That's another tool good for assisting you with all the passwords that you have. You go to appearance, theme, and then you can add theme. You can preview first before you choose the theme. Okay, so let's say you decide that you want to change to other, you don't like it, you close. Okay, if the preview doesn't look like the image of the preview, this one is the preview itself, so it doesn't look like to the sample here. There are some solution to this where themes in the search never look like the thumbnail in the preview. This is actually a common problem. So if you see that the demo does not match the thumbnail, this is the thumbnail. If you try, for example here, add a theme, if you compare the thumbnail and the preview it doesn't match, then avoid that particular theme. So this one, if you click preview for example, okay, you see this thumbnail, it match the preview, then you can choose this, but it's not guarantee the theme will work immediately. Sometimes you have to explore, add a few files, do a few clicks before the themes look exactly like the thumbnail shown in the description here. Okay, so I activate this. If it's okay, then when I view the front end, this is the front end, open site. If I view the front end, it will be updated with the latest theme. But if it doesn't look like the sample shown here, you need to customize. Usually it's under homepage setting and then publish. Different template have different steps to actually activate the correct background and layout. Okay, so if you are lucky, it change straight away. But if it's not, here I change temporarily to sample page. So here I actually change to something else and then change back to homepage and then publish again. And then you reload. There you go. So sometimes even it's correct, you need to change to something else first, and then publish, and then change back to the homepage.